What is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I'm the auction dog, and today I got you guys along with me at the auction, and we are in search of a very special car, or at least a special car to me, a BMW enthusiast. And last year I bought a pretty much the same spec car out of this very same auction, and we got really lucky, and then we ended up auctioning it off on carsandbids.com, and it did very well. So the goal is to purchase that car again and do the same thing, not necessarily the same thing, but repeat the cycle. You know, and mind you, there is a few other cars out here that I want to look at, so I figured why the hell not take you guys along with me. So let's go ahead and we're gonna start plugging away through this auction here. There's probably, I like to point out all the enthusiast stuff with you guys, because I'm sure there's other stuff out here that people will like, but I'm just gonna point out the cool stuff, or at least what I think is cool. And if you think there's something else cool, just go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know what you'd like me to point out next time. So I am currently in maybe 7 rows away from the car that is, you know, the piece that I really want to show on this video here. And we're gonna work our way there, so let's get cracking. 2001 SLK 320. It's not an AMG, but it does have AMG wheels, which is kind of cool. There was there's an FJ over there, which is pretty sweet. Over here is kind of the M35X. I think it's rough. Real rough, son. How many miles are on that 128? Is that a 128? Oh yeah. 2010 128 automatic. It's blue in color, which is nice. FJ ain't bad. Not bad at all. It's over here, Panamera. These things never really did anything for me. I just think they're funny shaped. You know what I'm saying? They're just kind of ugly to be cruising around in. So, if you've never watched this channel before, I am a dealer. I'm a small car dealer down here in South Florida, really West Coast, or really, you know, Gulf Coast of Florida. But we are technically south because we're south of Tampa Bay. And I really operate with a focus on like BMWs and enthusiast vehicles in general, but I do like to dabble in a little bit of everything. So right here is number 2 on my list. 2006 BMW X5 with a 3-liter. You know, it's funny because this thing is extremely clean as far as paint. You know, the paint and bodywork goes. It does look like it's been touched up in a couple of spots, but for this Horse 2 to look this good and be in Florida, it's probably been resprayed or it lived somewhere else for quite a long time. It's so nice though. Not too much rust down below. Somebody just put this fucking window down, so that's great. Hopefully it comes back up. But this car is quite nice. Know what I'm saying? People are such jack-offs, they really are. It's like, oh, what if it's like, I don't know if it's supposed to rain, but it might, you know what I'm saying? Put the damn freaking window back up, dude. 158,000 miles. This thing's in really good shape. I drove it for quite a bit of time. It's just very nice. Sunroof obviously needs love, but who cares? To find an X5 with no check engine lights, no nothing, no problems, it's insane. It really is. Hopefully, I've been mic'd up for the last few videos too. Hopefully the audio quality is a little bit better for you guys. I was kind of pissy about all the wind noise and just all the other crap that I used to have to deal with, Bo. So spent some money on a good mic setup, and I hope it's coming through in video in better quality for you guys. So apparently there was a car on fire here yesterday. I think I found where it happened. That's pretty nutty. It's wild. 214,000 mile rusty Honda Fit. Yeah, there's really not a lot of cool stuff out here today. It's not. Kind of wild, but nonetheless, I see the car that we are here for, and we're gonna take a look at it. Look at that Q60. That's pretty cool. That's pretty sweet, actually. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, I know. Look at that. Look at, somebody's been smoking blunts in here. I know it's not in the sale. Yeah, you're good. This is not for sale. I know. I know it's not. All the cars that are for sale are parked one way except for DP lane. And they all have certain stickers on them. But I've been around the block. Not everybody's seen me a million times, so they know. So they don't know me. That's fine. Look at this M5, dude. 2019 M5. Damn, that interior is money. Damn, that black's so nice. Are you kidding me? Wow. Oh, shiza. This thing is so sick. Wow. Oh yeah, this thing is so sick. There's a lot of car. You know what I'm saying? Look at those lights. Wow, are they coming through? But this thing is money, dude. That seat is so comfortable. Holy shit. Wow. All right, I'm done fucking around in here. There's basically one car that I'm really interested, or two cars that I'm extremely interested in, which is unfortunate, honestly, but nonetheless, I'm looking at the one right now, and it's right over here, and it is sick. Sick. All right, dude, I'm getting close right now to the car that I'm here to look at, and boy howdy, this thing is sick, honestly. Check this out. 1998 BMW M3 convertible with 69,000 original miles on it. 69,000. Perfect for Ronnie Mac, dude. Yowza. We're gonna have to buy this tomorrow, dude. Absolutely have to. Car's been repainted for sure. It's got some wonky with the old convertible top here. Know what I'm saying? The radio's all loud. But dude, she's a money shot, dude. Gotta buy it. Have to absolutely buy it. I bought the same spec car last year. And look at the interior, dude. It's so nice. It's basically lot ready. It's done. So I already started this thing. I drove it. Look at it. Oh my God. It's so nice. It's such a nice car. I drove it. It drives perfect. No problems. Radio's fucked up. Top's fucked up. Titan silver. Alarm actually works, which is crazy. Some tiger striping on the hood from being repainted and stuff, but dude, gotta do it. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. So this video is gonna pick back up tomorrow when this goes to auction in the morning. And I am the new owner of this damn thing. I'm gonna make it and put it out into the universe. I'm owning this. This is already done. It's a done deal. It's ours. It's coming home with us. This is going to auction, dog. And we're gonna get it for sub 11 grand, hopefully. So, I don't care. Open checkbook, buddy. Gotta have it. Open checkbook. Gotta freaking have it, dude. Man, I love a good E36, dude. This is the first M of the year. We did like 3 or 4 M's last year. This is the first of the year. So, boy, I am so pumped up. I can't believe this thing came through. The seller called me. He's like, hey, you know, I got a really nice M coming to the auction. Maybe you want to swing on it. Came and looked at it. It's money shot, dude. That's not good, though. That ain't good. You have to figure that out. But it's a little tacky certain places. That's a rear wheel. This is a rear. So that one's probably a spare. That's the front. See the offset difference? That one's not very offset. This one's extremely offset. That actually looks better like that. Actually, it looks like the front's in the rear and the rear's in the front, so. Can't wait to switch those around. All right, cool. So, little backstory, obviously, if you watch the channel often, you've seen me sell a bunch of these things. So, this one's gonna be another one going down the list. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and we're gonna pick back up in the morning. And when we're the proud new owners of a 98 M3 with sub 70,000 miles. Let it rip. You know, I was really hoping, after I left off yesterday's video here at the auction, I was really hoping to come to you guys with better news about the M3, but it just went for exactly what we wanted to pay for it, and we bought it, okay? And I'm fucking pumped up. I got my bro here with me, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna go collect this goddamn thing right now.
Too bad they didn't leave it parked up front for us, you know?
Gotta take the, yeah, nope. I knew I was gonna do that. Okay, let me go get the keys first. Then we gotta get the keys, okay. That was live action typical. On camera. Typical shit right there. This is typical. So, okay. All right, well, I'm gonna get the keys and then we'll tap back in, let it rip. All right, keys out of the ZHP. Perfect, locked. Okay, let's go. We're cocked and locked. Oh, excuse us. All right, dude. Now round two.
Everyone's just standing in there all miserable.
I know. Anyways, back on to where we were previously about 4 seconds ago.
Got the keys?
I got the keys.
All right.
The car went for under what I was expecting to pay for it, honestly. And I ended up scoring it. I just, when the auction was going, I just put my bidder badge up in the air and just held it there. Like, I'm buying this fucking car, so you guys might as well just stop. And I don't know if it worked or not, but we ended up with it. I don't know what the hell the plan is. I know that we're gonna get it cleaned up and listed as fast as possible. And yeah, right?
Yeah,
sweet.
Much the plan.
That's it.
Not
so,
much else.
I mean, yeah, exactly. It's a lot of fucking money to have out there on the wings, plus all the other shit that we own right now. But yeah, I'm stoked, pumped up about it. We got a little bit of a hike, so
I wonder what that
yeah.
means.
Huh?
Did you wonder what that
Yeah, right, RC350 over there. That one's nice.
White?
That one's real nice. White's a nice color.
Nice little car.
I think it's over here. This is all sold too. I think I put it over here. Yeah, I did. Look at that Escalade, two-tone. It's pretty sick. There she is.
I might say that I kind of disagree with the whole setup here, because when you buy a car, you got to drive it out that way and go back to the front where you parked
Yeah,
the car you drove
there
it.
she is, dude.
Nice. Mint.
Dude,
Dude, the paint is insane.
dude. It's a money shot, bro.
No accidents, clean tires?
It's got one, it does have one accident. I think it's been resprayed, honestly.
Where's the accident?
Definitely been
The
resprayed.
accident was reported?
There was something reported, it was a minor. Something stupid. Either way though, dude, look at it.
Yeah, it's fucking money.
Dude, it's a fucking money shot, dude. It's insane. 69,581 right now.
No check engine lights.
Nothing. Not a light on the dash. It's beautiful. Car's phenomenal. All we got to sort out a couple little things, and then this thing is going up. Faux sale. Faux sale. Nice, right?
Sweet.
Do you think it's clean?
Absolutely.
Gotcha. Anything else?
Come and fucking buy it.
How's it? It's
Listen,
pretty nice.
I'm getting used to being mic'd up.
He's not used to the whole camera
Put me
thing.
on the spot.
Dude, I'll talk to myself. The camera at least gives me an excuse as to why.
Right.
You know?
Right.
Jesus Christ.
You got your slip?
Yeah, I do right here.
Little nip slip?
How you doing, man?
What's up? Like you right here, man.
What's up?
It's you right
Oh, you're damn right it is. Absolutely.
here. Weekend right now.
That's it. We're going top down, player.
That's
it. Y'all heard that? That's funny. That's it. Thank you.
All right.
You have a
Have
good
a
day,
good
man.
one, man. Happy Friday.
This one is me, dude. Right?
Yeah, sure is,
This is us, dude.
They knew it was yours.
Telling you. I'm fired up right now. I'm thriving right now. I got a good network around me right now, and I'm fired up because I am so happy that we were able to make this happen. Because god damn it, this is the stuff. This is the bread and butter. This is Auction Dog bread and butter right here, Sonny. Look at this. Look at this visual. E36 M3. Freaking Alpine White ZHP. Forget about it, son. This is what the Beamer bros were waiting for. Telling you what. All right, so tomorrow I'm gonna pick back up with this thing, and we are gonna go through it and clean it up, make sure everything's good to go, and after that, get her listed, get her gone. Thank you guys for watching. If you have watched this far, please subscribe. Get the channel growing. We're trying to grow this here and really pop off, honestly. We're trying to hit 10,000 subs by the end of the year, and every one of you counts. So if you have watched this far, thank you very much. If you do like this kind of content, subscribe and drop a comment down below. Would you have bought that thing? I know you would have. So anyways, peace out, my dogs. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.